Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I am going to be sharing a hidden feature for your Samsung Galaxy smartphone's camera. So let's dive in and get started. So let me launch the camera real quick, okay? Now this feature has to do with the super slow motion option, which is going to be right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to record an actual video, a super slow motion video, and then I'm going to show you the trick. So let's record the video real quick. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is you want to launch the camera, and once I'm in the camera, I'm going to go over to more, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the super slow motion option. You tap on that one, and now what I'm going to do is I am going to record a super slow motion video. So I'm going to tap on that record button, alright, and it should record immediately. There we go, we are done. It says saving the video. This may take a few seconds. Let's wait for that to complete. Alright, so it's done. It's been saved. And as you can see, I'm just going to quickly play it back here. Then I'm going to show you the actual trick. So that's just a video playback. Look at how slow it has become. The real speed of this fan is crazy. That's the actual speed of the phone, but with the 960 frames per second, it becomes very slow. Alright, so let me go into my gallery. I'm going to pull that clip that I just recorded. It's going to be right here. That's a super slow motion clip. Again, when you play this, basically it plays the fan at super slow speeds, and that's great. Everybody knows about that. Now what a lot of people don't know is if you pull this up, you get access to an additional menu. But with the super slow motion, you can pull this up one more time, and at the bottom you get 3 different options, okay? And those options allow you to modify your super slow clips. As you can see, you can play them forward, you can play them reverse of what you recorded, or you can do a forward and reverse combination. So this is the usual one here. That's the forward. Let me tap on it. Okay, so that's exactly what the forward is. Okay, it is recording the usual movement, which is like this. And then what we can do is if I tap on this one, I can do a reverse movement. That's the same video, but now it's playing it in reverse. Okay, and also if I go over here, I got the forward and reverse. So this combines forward and reverse and gives you a nice little effect. Now this here is a really boring example with the fan, but you can actually use this to do some really creative effects if you so desire. What you should do is you should go out in bright daylight, because you do need a lot of natural light to use the super slow motion option. It requires a lot of natural light, and try something crazy and then do forward, reverse, and the combination, and I think you're gonna love it. Now one more thing you can do here is when I tapped on this one and it came forward, you also tap on this arrow here that is a forward arrow. If you tap it, it goes to the reverse. If you tap it again, it also gives you the forward reverse combination. So that arrow is interactable, all right? And I do want to give a huge shout out to my man over here from Twitter for bringing this to my attention. If you guys have any tips and tricks, just DM them to me on Twitter. We'll make a video and you will get a shout out. Alright guys, for now, have a fantastic day. Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.